Okay, good morning to all of you. I welcomes to all in our lecture series on mathematical physics, that is your core paper 5, and we are discussing Legendre differential equation and Legendre polynomials. This is your lecture number 40. In our last class, that is your lecture number 39, we have been discussed some of examples on Legendre polynomials. In this class also we are going to discuss another 3 problems on the base of Legendre polynomials. So let's start. In our last class we have been discussed up to this much. That means your example number 2 we have been discussed, and also example number 3 also we have been discussed in detail. Today we are going to discuss example number 5, that means find P5x. We have to find out the Legendre polynomial of 5th order. So in general this can be found by 2 methods, from this expression and by using Rodriguez formula. First we have to consider this one. So in general P and x can be written as 0 to n, capital N, minus 1 to the power r, 2n minus 2r factorial whole divided by 2 to the power n r factorial, n minus r factorial, n minus 2r factorial into x to the power n minus 2r. Here capital N will be equal to n by 2 for n, small n is even, and it will be n minus 1 by 2 for small n is odd. Okay. So here n equal to 5 is your odd, so capital N will be 5 minus 1 by 2 will be equal to 2. So P5 will be in general can be written as r equal to 0 to 2 minus 1 to the power r, here 2n equal to 10 minus 2r factorial into x to the power 5 minus 2r, because it is n minus 2r whole divided by 2 to the power n means 5, r factorial, n minus r means 5 minus r factorial, n minus 2r means 5 minus 2r factorial. So here r equal to 0 to 2 means we are going to get the 3 terms, for r equal to 0, for r equal to 1, for r equal to 2. For r equal to 0 we can found minus 1 to the power 0, 10 minus 0 factorial x to the power 5 minus 0 means x to the power 5 whole divided by 2 to the power 5, r is 0 factorial, 5 minus r, that means 5 minus 0 factorial, here also 5 minus 0 factorial, plus second term will be minus 1 to the power 1, 10 minus r equal to 1 means it will be 2, 10 minus 2 factorial into x to the power 5 minus 2 will be 3 whole divided by 2 to the power 5 into r means 1 factorial, 5 minus 1 factorial, 5 minus 2 into 1, that will be 2, 5 minus 2 factorial, plus likewise third term will be minus 1 to the power 2, because r we have to take as 2, third term, minus 1 to the power 2, 10 minus 2r, that means 2 into 2, 4 whole factorial x to the power 5 minus 4, that means x to the power 1. This is x, okay, x to the power 1 whole divided by 2 to the power 5. Here r equal to 2 factorial, here r equal to 2 means 5 minus 2 factorial, here 5 minus 4 factorial, 5 minus 4 factorial, 2 into 2, that means 4, that will be 4 factorial, okay, 5 minus 4 factorial. Then further simplification we can found, see, 2 to the power 5, 2 to the power 2 to the power 5 can be taken outside. Here minus 1 to the power 0 will be 1, 10 factorial x to the power 5 minus this will be, see, minus 1 to the power 1 means minus 1, so minus, this is your 8 factorial x to the power 3, 2 to the power 5, it is already gone to the outside the bracket. This is 1 factorial, 5 minus 1, 4 factorial, 5 minus 2 is 3 factorial. Next, this is minus 1 to the power 2 is plus 1, 10 minus 4, 6 factorial, x to the power 1 means x whole divided by, already 2 to the power 5 gone outside the bracket, 2 factorial, 5 minus 2 is 3 factorial, 5 minus 4 is 1 factorial. Okay, Now we have to further simplify. See, here denominator 1 5 factorial is going to be cancelled with 10 factorial. We can find 10 9 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 whole divided by 5 factorial, that is 5 4 3 2 1 into x to the power 5. Here 4 factorial is cancelled with 8 factorial. 1 4 here 8 factorial and 4 factorial is going to be cancelled out, means in the numerator we can find 8 7 6 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 whole divided by 3 factorial, that means 2 3 into 2 into 1. Next 3 factorial is cancelled with 6 factorial, means in the numerator we can find 6 into 5 into 6 divided by this 2 factorial, that is 2 into 1 into x. Okay, so by simplification of this this much value we can find 252 x to the power 5. By simplification of this much you can do it your rough. This will be 280 x to the power 3. This will be 60x. So this is 1 by 32. Again further simplification we can find 1 by 8. Just you divide 4 with each. So it will be 1 by 8 63 x to the power 5 minus 70 x to the power 3 plus 15x, whatever I written at that time, this is exactly matched. You can found this is p5x. I have been written similarly this one, and here we derived this one. Okay, same thing. Now second method by using Rodriguez formula. See, if it is asked in your exam, in either method you can do, either this way or by using Rodriguez formula. Which one will be easy for you? You can choose that path or that method. Now we have to consider Rodriguez formula is of the Legendre polynomial is nothing but p n x equal to 1 by 2 to the power n into n factorial into nth derivative of x square minus 1 to the power n. Right? Here n is equal to how much? 5. So it will be fifth derivative of this value is 2 to the power 5 into 5 factorial into fifth derivative of x square minus 1 to the power 5. Okay, so this value you can do your rough. You can found 3840. So 3840. Here I written x square minus 1 to the power 5 as x square minus 1 to the power 2 into x square minus 1 to the power 3, because this will be in the form of a minus b square. This is a minus b whole cube. Okay, so I am going to write in the next page the same thing I have been written once again, that 1 by 3840 d5 by dx to the power 5 x square minus 1 whole square into x square minus 1 whole cube. So first we have to multiply this one. So see, a minus b whole square, it will be x to the power 4 minus 2x square plus 1. This is a minus b whole cube formula. So it will be x to the power 6 minus 3x square, because see minus 3ab square. So sorry, 3 plus 3ab square. Plus 3ab square means 3a is x square into 1 minus 3 a square b. A square b means minus 3a square b means 3. A square means x to the power x square to the power square. It will be x to the power 4, and it will be minus a cube means minus 1. So you just multiply these two terms. You can found this one. Carefully you have to write these things. Okay. Now we have to take the you written this one. Then with simplification we can found this one. Carefully you have to write. Okay. X to the power 10 minus 5 x to the power 8 plus 10 x to the power 6 plus 10 x to the power 4 plus 5 x to the power 2 minus 1. Okay. Now we have to take the first derivative of this one. This will be 10 x to the power 9, 8 into 5 40 x to the power 7, 6 into 10 60 x to the power 5, 4 into 10 40 x to the power 3, 10x, this will be 0, derivative of 1. Then second derivative, this will be dq by dx cube. Again 90 x to the power 8, 40 into 7 280 x to the power 6, 60 into 5 300 x to the power 4, 40 into 3 120 x square. This will be 10. Okay. Now another derivative, it will be d square by dx square. It will 90 into 8 720 x to the power 7, 280 into 6 1680 x to the power 5, 300 into 4, this will 200 x to the power 3, 120 into 2 240 x. Derivative of 10 will be 0. Next derivative, if we are going to do 720 into 7 5040 x to the power 6, 1680 into 5 8400 x to the power 4, 1200 into 3 3600 x to the power 2, 240x. Derivative will be 240. Next derivative, if we are going to do 5046 into 6 will be 30240 x to the power 5, 8400 into 4 33600 x to the power 3, 3600 into 2 7200 into x. Derivative of 240 will be 0. Leave it. So this 3840 can be written as 8 into 480. Now I have to divide 480 with each term. Then I can found 63. So it will be 1 by 8. 480 I am going to divide with each term. I can found 63 x to the power 5, 70 x to the power 3, 15 into x. You just do it in your rough, and we found p5x will be this much, whatever we found in this method. Okay. Now we have to go for the next question. Next question is easy for you, that already we done previously this type question. Here you can see that here a0 a1 x like that, here value is there. So express the polynomial 4x cube minus 3x square minus 3x plus 8 in the term of Legendre polynomial. So by using previous question, that is example number 2, already x cube x square x we found in the term of polynomial, that we are going to be used over here. This is your example number 2. We found x value is p1x, x square value is this much, x cube value is this much. Only I am going to be put over here. So here 4 into x cube value is how much? This much. 2 by 5 p3x plus 3 by 5 p1x. Here I substituted. Minus x square value I substituted whatever I found in example number 2. And here 3x, x means p1x. Here 8 into 1 means we can write p0x. So by simplification we can found this much. You just pause the video and you just write the steps. Thus at last we found fx equal to 8 by 3 p3x minus 4 by 3 p2x plus 7 by 5 p1x plus 22 by 3 p0x. So here what I done, that I directly written the value from example number 2, but if this question asked in your example in your examination, at that time you have to find out these values. That means you have to do whatever we done in example number 2, that means up to x cube you have to find out by using polynomials, then you have to put the values. Okay, in the exam you should not be write this one. Okay, this question oftenly asked as to 4 to 5 marks. So first you have to find out x square, x cube, x square, x in the term of Legendre polynomials. That means you have to do the steps, this one and this one. Then you have to put these things and you have to find out this value. So many times I have been suggested to all of you that at least you have to remember up to this one, P4. Otherwise up to P4 you have to find out from Rodriguez by using Rodriguez formula or by using this general formula. You got my point. From this general formula you can easily find P0x, P1x, P2x. But if you are going to do so, then this question will be so long. First you have to find out P0x, P1x, P2x, P3x. then you have to find out in the term of x, that is this one and this one, then you have to substitute over this one. So it will be too long. So it will be better that if you remember the up to fourth order polynomial, Legendre polynomial, then you can easily do this question. Okay, suppose you remember up to four polynomials, up to fourth order polynomial, easily you can found x square, x cube in the term of Legendre polynomial, then you can substitute over here. Otherwise you have to find out from this general formula, p0x is how much, p1x is how much, p2x, p3x, you have to find out. So you have to just remember these polynomials, or you can found this one, you can extract the polynomials from this formula, and you have to do this problem as your wish. Okay, come to the next problem. Express this one in the term of the power of x. See, here also I written that we know that p0x this one. Here we have to just put the value of p1x, p2x, p3x, p4x in the term of x, and just simplification we have to do, and we are going to get the last answer. Okay, here for this case also, what I told, up to p4 you have to remember. Suppose you not remembered, suppose you don't want to remember, then you have to remember this formula or Rodriguez formula. Okay, by using Rodriguez formula or by using this formula, you can found p0x, p1x, p2x, p3x and p4x. Then you have to substitute these values in this equation, and you can found this one. So here we know that p0x, p1x is this much, p2x, p3x and p4x are these. Now as per the question, 5 into p4x, p4x means we have to substitute this one, and 10 into p3x, 10 into p3x, 2 into p2x, 2 into p2x. Okay, and then p1x x. Just to simplify, you just pause the video and write down the step. Pause the video and write down the step. At last you can found this one. This will be the answer. Okay, so here we have to stop our discussion today. In the next class we are going to discuss about the generating function for Legendre polynomials p and x. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Pause the video and write down the note, that means example 4, 5 and 6 perfectly, and again I suggest that at least you have to remember up to this much. It will be better for you, because if you remember this one, then you can do this one, this example number 2 easily. Otherwise you have to find out the values from the general formula. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you. If you got any doubt in the today lecture, you contact with me, then we have to be discussed. So thank you so much.